Hello my loves and welcome back. And in this episode today, I'll be showing you how to ice that fruit loaf cake. Now, for that, what we're going to do is get 100 grams of icing sugar and we're going to sift the icing sugar with the great attachment from KitchenAid into the bowl, and then we're going to use that leftover pineapple juice that we had in our cake to start with. So I use a big dessert spoon. I normally use this with when I'm having my soup as well. And we add in the icing sugar. And the good thing about this is it weighs your icing sugar. Well, it weighs your flour, so you can get precise measurements. On goes the lid, and on the half setting, we're then going to start to sieve our icing sugar. Now look how easy that is. No big plumes of icing sugar everywhere. It's all nice and controlled. And then I will start to add in my pineapple juice. Perfect. I'm going to just remove this. Back on the half setting. And then in goes a tablespoon at a time. Just bring that in. Now be mindful about the amount of pineapple juice you put into the icing sugar, because you don't want it too runny, otherwise it's just going to run everywhere. So you want to control that, and I'm going to show you how we do that as well. While that's going, we're going to dress the cake. So I have a green, a red, and a white buttercream. And these are lemon flavoured buttercreams. Now, because I'm going to be using different piping tips, I use another bag to put a piping tip in, and then I can transfer these bags into the secondary bag, so then we're not just changing tips, so we're not wasting bags.
Looking for appliances you can trust to help you create more than just meals? With KitchenAid, you get more than just great tools. You get a brand that's been supporting home cooks and food lovers for over a century. So whether you're mixing dough, blending smoothies, or experimenting with new recipes, KitchenAid products are built for versatility and for lasting performance. Everything from the iconic stand mixer to blenders and food processors is designed to help you express your creativity and get consistent results every single time. And with new colours like Flutter for 2025, you can add a personal touch to your space while enjoying innovation you can count on. Click the link in the description. KitchenAid. Classic style, endless possibilities.
This can be turned off. Perfect. Just using a little bit of old baking parchment. I'm just gonna practice. So the crease of the bag I always have at 12 o'clock. Here we go. Okay, just going to give that a mix by hand just to make sure it's all nice and smooth. So we've got a nice consistency. What I would do now is let that, maybe pop it in the fridge for 5 minutes just to cool the buttercream. Because what we're doing now is placing a dam around the outside, so we've got nice clear edges. You might get a bit that drips through, but it's not important. The main thing is that it looks presentable on the top. these dough scrapers are really good to control the amount of buttercream. So we're going to go about there. And there we go. My Auntie Valerie's fruit cake, all dressed up, ready for Christmas. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, if you want your own KitchenAid, you can click the link below to grab your own. Take care, see you soon. Ta-da.